How do you deal with slackers in a group project? My friends and I chose an English elective because we heard it was an easy class to pass. Instead of exams, it only required 3 major presentations. Since we were allowed to pick our group mates, my friends and I decided to stick together. The first presentation wasn't hard. It just needed a simple PowerPoint. My friends promised they'd pitch in, but they always had excuses to avoid their share of the work. They claimed they were too busy with their majors, clubs, and sororities. In the end, I ended up doing the research and putting the slides together. They did show up for the presentation and winged their parts, but I warned them the next 2 projects were more demanding and I couldn't handle it all alone. They gave me half-hearted apologies and said they'd step up for the next one. However, after finishing my part of the second presentation, I saw that they'd barely started theirs. I was furious but found it hard to confront them since they were my friends. Then came the final project. This time, instead of a PowerPoint, we had to create a video and write an individual printed essay. I pleaded with my friends to help with the video, but they got upset, accusing me of nagging them over a minor elective. I was heartbroken by how they treated me. To them, it was just another elective, something they could take lightly because they could afford to retake it. But for me, my grades mattered because I was on a scholarship. I started the project early and completed everything myself without dividing the work. When they finally asked about the